Microsoft Excel, today we are going to study a sales bill for a company. How can we create a sales bill? For this purpose, I have pre-made this data, but I am going to rewrite it again for you. We have a company named as XYZ company, for example, and we are going to prepare a bill for that company, that a salesman goes to market and sells the goods to any shop or any business. Let's see what we'll do for it. On the top of the book, I'm going to write these things. Below this, I need a column named as shop name, date, now we have few columns here. These are serial number, quantity, product name, category number, trade price, and total price. Now we make the bill here in this sheet. For a serial number, we only need numbering 1, 2 up to so on. For example, I have got here 46 products here. You can just select, click and drag it for the records, as much records as you want. Next is, you must know the name of the product. For that purpose, I have got many names of products here. These are local products in the market. For example, we have got the record of biscuits, chocolates, and this type of products. Next one is the category number. Category number is provided by the company. For example, here in my example sheet, it starts from 1374 something. We are going to provide it as 15,450, 15,451, and we will categorize the same number to the rest of our products. Here we have multiple products in our sheet, and it just demands only one thing. For example, here it is the quantity, it is the trade price column, this is the total column. Okay, for example, we have full stick wafer strawberry biscuits, and we are going to sell it on a shop named as, for example, we have nearby shop is which shop? What is this shop next to us? This is known as Medina Cash and Carry. Now, for this Medina Cash and Carry, we are going to sell our some products to this business. The date here is, for example, today's date. Today we have it's 2nd of November 2022. Now our salesman got the order for full of stick biscuits. These are 12 in number. For vanilla, 10 boxes. For wafer, it is for example 8 boxes, 12, 18, 6, and the quantities, as shopkeepers buy the things on a bulk. They do not buy a single good. They got at least 6, and they buy more than this, 6, 8, 10, 12, this type of the quantities, 18. There may be 24 boxes also. I'm going to repeat this in the rest of my workbook. So we prevent ourselves from hassle of typing more data. Now all of these things have different prices, that is trade price. For example, full wafer 11 gram pack is for 400 rupees. The vanilla wafer is for 420 rupees, and this thing is for 430, 450, 460, 470 rupees, and this is for 500 rupees. We are going to copy these trade cells below also, so we may get the formulated result of our sale here. It only demands two formulas, one for calculating the price of individual goods that have been sold, and the second one to get the sum of whole products. Now let's see how we'll apply it along the sheet. I want to calculate the price of 12 Fulo wafer chocolates at the rate of 400. To calculate this, I just need the cell number of quantity is equal to cell number of quantity multiplied by the cell number of trading price. It is calculated here. There may be one more thing in this sheet that is not included here. If you want to include it, for example, I am going to cancel this total here, and I am going to apply this thing. I want to show you. For example, we say trade discount. Trade discount. Trade discount is the amount of discount that a trader provides to the wholesaler. It must be after the price, so I'm going to apply the price here. And I'm going to apply discount after the price. Okay. Now, often companies provide 10% or 8% discount over the wholesale trade of goods. Okay. For example, our company gives the 10% discount to the wholesaler or a shopkeeper. How it will be applied here? We'll go to this trade discount column, and we will select the trade price multiplied by the percentage of discount, that is trade discount. Now after calculating trade discount, we must have one more column. I'm going to insert it here, that is sales price. Sales price will be calculated from trade price minus trade discount. This is easiest. I'm going to apply this formula equal to trade price, cell number is E7, and minus trade discount. It is 360 now, and applied over whole sheet. Now I want to calculate the total price. The total price is equal to quantity cell number lies here, it is B7 multiplied by static sales price, quantity multiplied by sales price. It is calculated over here. Now we are going to just double click the formula and apply it to the whole 50 products. Now at the end of the bill, the last thing here is the grand total of the whole bill. The grand total must show the total quantity sold, must show also the amount, total trade amount, total discount, and the total sale amount. Let's see. For example, how much quantity we have sold on Medina Cash and Carry. We want to calculate the total sum of this column. This is much easier. We will go to apply sum. Just we will go to home menu and click auto sum. It will select the whole column automatically, and just press enter. It will show me that we have sold 620 boxes of products on Medina store. Now let's see what was the market price of these boxes. At the end of the sales column, we'll go and apply the sum formula and press enter. It shows that it cost 21,910 rupees. Now how much discount we allowed this person? At the end of discount column, we will go and click auto sum formula. It will show me that we have provided him a discount of 2191 rupees for today. And what was the recent selling price of our product? Total selling price was this much, 19,719 rupees for these goods. And let's see the bill of total. The bill of total comes here. This person purchased the product for 2,49,372 rupees. This was our wholesale for today's sheet. This is known as sales report of products or daily sales report of products. You can save it as daily sales